Hey everybody, this is Prince. It's 6th of December 2017. This video is only for educational information purposes only. Any information I share here is not to be considered as a financial advice at all. So we're gonna do a very quick very quick and brief and basic technical analysis on the leading cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies that we're going to be covering today is the mighty leading Bitcoin US dollar, okay, BTC against the US dollars. Then we're going to do a quick analysis on the Ripple, Ethereum, Dash coin, and the Monero currency, the Monero coin. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using the MetaTrader 4 platform. The reason being is it's easy to use. There are no major technical errors with this platform. I haven't faced any crashes at all. Secondly, it's a Japanese candlestick chart. My preferred chart always is the daily and 4-hour chart. It keeps your ass more safe. And I've got the 50 exponential moving average and an awesome oscillator at the bottom. The green line you see here, that's the 50 exponential moving average. Just I'm gonna double click so that you can see the properties. The period is 50. Calculation method is exponential. Apply to close. This is very important. All right, lime green or yellow as you like. Okay, so let's get started quickly. Now keep in mind that you can even consider the exponential moving average as a dynamic or variable support and resistance. Now here is the support. Now let's take our horizontal line tool. Now our key support, or one of the technical supports, is at 8077.92. What do we mean by it? If the price was supposed to crash towards the downside, all right, we want to exit our trades or keep our stop losses there. So what's the plan? If the price falls back around this area, we need to see a reversal pattern, probably in the shape of W or V. I prefer W. Okay, the buyer should come back in at this moving average, okay, and start pumping the price again to make new highs. That's one way to trade, which is buying the pullback at the moving average. Another way is you just simply buy the breakout. Here, for example, this was your resistance. Let's say this was the resistance in the past. Okay, so buy stop above it, boom. Okay, now the question, a lot of people are asking question, how should we calculate it? Where is our next target? Well, there are a lot of ways to determine the next target. One of the ways could be take the current price, okay, measure the line between your support and the current price. Okay, so how many dollars is it? It's almost like 8,071, 13,000, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's $5,000 difference. So your next target is going to be $5,000, which would be $17,000 approximately. So that's for the Bitcoin. So let's move towards the Ripple. Okay, now Ripple is most of the time it's a stable cryptocurrency, and it's usually trending towards trending in a sideways trading range. That's what I mean by the sideways trading range. Let's draw it up for you. That's a sideways range movement. So usually what's the strategies are, you buy the lows and sell the highs, you buy the lows and sell the highs. Okay, that's how you would buy a low. Look for W patterns at the bottom, okay, and look for the M patterns at the highs to short sell. Okay, I am not in the mood to short sell. Okay, so this is what my plan really is. This is what I want to do on Ripple. I want to buy some Ripple at the support using the moving average. So this is going to be my buy, 22.52, if the prices come here, and then I want to take next buy around this area because this is a support zone around 20. So it's just a 2-cent difference, but when the prices go and pop up from these areas, okay, up till 27 or 28 or whatever, okay, it's a decent 20 to 35% increase in equity, which is really not bad. Who says no to money, right? Okay, and let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is also it's a very interesting coin. I want to zoom out. Okay, if you see in the beginning of 2017, Ethereum was hardly around $28 a coin, and now it's The high that it has made is almost, let's check the high. It's 494. That's the high on Ethereum. So amazing, yeah? Amazing percentage gain. Now keep in mind all the ICOs, initial coin offerings, or ICOs, okay? They are being built on Ethereum. I don't know how to technically define it, but being a trader, I just want the chart to make a good decision. So what could be done here? Now you can take the breakout 494.12, 495 could be a buy entry as a breakout. If you want to pull back, what's resistance often becomes support. Okay, what's resistance often becomes support. So here's a proof. So this resistance was broken, then the price went up, came down, and bounced back from here. So there are two plans: buy the breakout, buy the pullback at this area, all right, or let the price come towards the moving average, consider it as your support, go towards the upside. If you are not investing all of your cash into Ethereum and you have some bullets left in the magazine, okay, this is one of the good support areas around 273. You can rebuy at this area and go back towards the upside, which would be like almost more than 50% return on your equity. Dash, I love Dash. Okay, I love Dash. It's amazing. It's going up. There are a lot of good reasons. You should YouTube what is Dashcoin exactly to understand it more. But being a technical trader and answering from technical perspective, we've got a couple of places where we can buy Dash from. This is an amazing thing. This was a resistance in the past. Okay, and the 50 moving exponential moving average is around this area. So I want the market to pull back at this area and bounce back. This is the most this is the best buying area. Okay, it's a discount. Now when our wives, girlfriends, ladies in the home, whenever they see a 25% sale on a nice decent grocery store or a shopping mall, they go and buy stuff without any purpose, without any reason. Similarly for a man, when prices in the financial markets fall, there are amazing discounts also. So imagine falling at 411 or falling at the moving average and going back at 700 or 800 area. Can you imagine? Can we calculate 400 to 800? It's almost 100% return in equity. And trust me, the money in cryptocurrencies is made much faster than trading real equities, leveraged equities, commodities, or currencies. I don't like Neo much, so I'm gonna go directly to the Monero. Monero is going amazing. Well, you can see I've got some profit. I usually try to hide the profits or whatever equity sizes, but if you can see here, my Monero positions are making me almost 835 bucks, and I want to really hold them. So even if they go against me, I don't really care and I don't really mind. So Monero is really going up. Monero is going up, and if you want to buy Monero, again, let the prices pull back around the moving average and then go back up. 127 to 277 or 269, amazing gain can happen in a few days. Or if there's no pullback that's coming up, okay, this was one of the resistance in the past that broke, and we can even buy the breakout at the highest 296.37. 296 or 297 could be taken as a buy for a breakout. Okay, now keep in mind, like I mentioned, if I'm planning to take a buy trade, I want to make sure that the price is above the 50 exponential moving average. And you see this awesome oscillator at the bottom. Okay, I want the awesome oscillator also to be curled above the zero line. Let's add the zero line. Let's go to indicators. Awesome oscillator, levels, add, and okay. Close. Here's the zero line. All right. Now, what does that mean? If the prices are above the 50 EMA and above the zero line, the histograms are being generated above the zero line, it means the market is in a strong trend. It's in a strong trend. And if you really want to exit, or one of the exiting strategies is if the price will close below the moving average or awesome oscillator curves below the zero line, that would be a good place to exit your buy trades. I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Have a great and wonderful trading week. My name is Prince, and my contact details are also mentioned in the description box of this video. So have a great week, and bye bye for now.